Hi there, and welcome back to our channel. Do you want to know best books on success and becoming successful? If so, this video is for you. Today we share with you top success books. Let's dive in. Book number 1. The Winner Effect, by Ian Robertson. This is a term used in biology to describe how an animal that has won a few fights against weak opponents is much more likely to win later against stronger contenders. The author in the book reveals it applies to humans, too. Build success with small win every day and remember your success. Book number 2. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, by Stephen Covey. This book gives you great habits to become a successful person. Be proactive, focus and act on what you can control and influence, instead of what you can't. Begin with the end in mind, know where you want to go, but put first things first, start where you need to start, build momentum. Book number 3. Outliers, by Malcolm Gladwell. This book is for ambitious people. It shows how to fulfill your potential. Incorporate rewards and refuse to beat yourself up on the slow days. Identify the obstacles to your goals and prepare to overcome them. Ask for help in achieving your goals in life and work with your strengths and put your time in. Book number 4. Mindset, by Dweck. Shows how success in school, work, sports, the arts, and almost every area of human endeavor can be dramatically influenced by how we think. Embrace lifelong learning, view challenges as opportunities, learn from failure, ask for feedback and cultivate a sense of purpose and gratitude. Book number 5. Think and Grow Rich, by Napoleon Hill. A treasury of distilled wisdom from some of the world's most distinguished men of fortune and achievement. You have to want it deeply, with a fierce desire for success, believe that you can achieve your goal, use affirmations to reach your goal and visualize your success, gain experiences and continue learning. Hope you liked our book's recommendation. Let us know in the comment which of these books you want to read. Click on the link in the description to find the book you want. Do you know other success books? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know your book's recommendation. Hope you liked our video. Subscribe to receive our book's recommendations and tips. Click on this video to see a summary on how to win friends and influence people. See you.